Imagine you wake up to knee-high water in your living room. Your furniture floats, your fridge is ruined, and your walls are soaked. Weeks later, you get a message that your claim is denied because the policy never covered floods in the first place. That is the moment most families realize they paid for a plan that wouldn't pay them back. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to fix the 3 gaps that quietly kill climate-related claims and the exact phrases to use so your insurer can't wriggle out of it. Stay with me to the end for a quick checklist you can copy word for word. This is Wealth Guide, and today we're talking about real protection against extreme weather. No fear, no jargon, just what actually works. First, home insurance myths that cost people the most. Many standard policies exclude flood, rainwater seepage, storm surge, heat damage, and even lightning unless you add specific add-ons. If your document uses phrases like water ingress, surface runoff, subsidence, or gradual deterioration, that's a hint they can refuse your claim for slow damage after heavy rains. Here's what to say when you call your provider. 1. Confirm whether flood, storm, hail, and heat events are included in writing. 2. Ask the exact payout cap for those events and whether it's a percentage of your total sum insured or a small sublimit. 3. Ask about the waiting period after purchase when climate events are not covered. If they hesitate, ask them to email the clause number. No email, no trust. Think about your house right now. If you had to replace appliances, flooring, and paint in one go, would your sum insured cover it all at today's prices? Underinsurance is a silent trap. If your house is insured for less than its real rebuild cost, the insurer can legally reduce your payout by the same percentage. Update your sum insured every year based on current market rates, not old estimates. Now, your car. A surprising number of people only have basic third-party coverage. That won't help if a flash flood reaches your exhaust or if hail cracks your windshield. You need comprehensive coverage to be eligible for most weather-related losses. Ask your insurer a simple trio of questions. Are rain and flood damage covered for the engine and electronics? Is towing from a flooded area covered? What is excluded if I start the car in water? That last one matters because many claims are rejected if the car was started while partially submerged. If water touched the cabin or engine bay, do not turn the key. Get it towed and document everything with photos and a short video on your phone. Let's talk about the fine print that blocks claims across both home and auto. First, vague event definitions. If your policy says things like unusual weather without defining it, ask them to tie coverage to official alerts or recorded rainfall rather than vague wording. Second, low sublimits. Your policy might list a big total number, but climate events may have a small ceiling that runs out fast. Third, claim timelines. Some policies require you to notify within 24 to 48 hours. Put a note in your phone with your insurer's hotline, your policy number, and a reminder to report immediately after a loss. Fourth, documentation. No proof, no payout. Keep before photos of your home's major rooms and your car's interior. After an event, capture wide shots and close-ups, make a simple list of damaged items with rough prices, and keep receipts for emergency repairs. A quick story to make this real. Sana's roof warped during a brutal heat wave. She assumed structural damage would be covered. Her policy called it gradual wear. She appealed and still lost. What would have helped? A specific add-on for heat-related structural damage, photos showing her roof condition the month before, and a policy email from her agent confirming coverage in clear terms. Paper trail beats phone promises every time. If you rent, this still matters. Your landlord may insure the building, but your belongings are on you. Ask for a renter's contents policy that includes flood and storm, and confirm whether temporary accommodation is covered if your apartment becomes unlivable. If you run a small business from home, clarify whether business equipment is covered under home contents or needs its own policy. Many creators learn this the hard way with cameras and laptops. Here's your quick 3-step climate proofing routine. 1. Review your policy this week and highlight any exclusions for flood, storm, hail, heat, landslide, or water seepage. If you see those, ask for add-ons that cover them, then get confirmation by email. 2. Fix underinsurance. Update your sum insured to reflect current rebuild costs and today's price for your contents. Walk through your home with your phone, film each room, and save the video to the cloud so you have a baseline. 3. Script your claim plan. Save your insurer's hotline and policy number, keep a simple checklist in your Notes app, and remember to never power on soaked appliances or a flooded car. Report fast, document well, and keep receipts. Before we wrap, a quick test. Could you explain in one sentence what your policy covers for flood this month? If the answer is maybe or I think so, it's a no. Make the call, get the email, and lock it in. You deserve a policy that shows up when life gets rough. If this helped, tap like, share this with one friend who needs to hear it, and subscribe to Wealth Guide for more practical money protection tips. Drop your city in the comments and I'll reply with one question you should ask insurers in your area.